Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get sugar apple in Grow a Garden. All right, let's begin. The sugar apple is one of the newest seeds in Grow a Garden and can occasionally be found in the seed shop. To check if it's in stock, talk to Definitely Not Sam at the shop. Scroll down the seed list and look for the sugar apple. It might not be available at all times, so you'll need to check frequently. When it is in stock, the sugar apple seed is only available for a very short window, about 5 minutes, before it disappears again. Because of how rare it is, many players rely on Discord servers or YouTube live streams to get real-time notifications when the seed becomes available in the shop. If you want to get your hands on one, stay active and ready to check the shop quickly. You can also watch out for special events or game updates, as the developer sometimes restocks sugar apple seeds as part of surprise giveaways or celebrations. Currently, the shop limits how many seeds you can buy per restock, and you might only see it once every few days. Make sure to log in often and keep an eye on community announcements so you don't miss your chance. So that's basically how you can get sugar apple in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.